Driving might feel like second nature, but the road is full of surprises. These stories connect the dots between split-second choices and life-changing outcomes. Buckle up for a ride that will reshape how you think every time you get behind the wheel. Let's jump in. Number 1. A lesson in the rain. In the first clip, the rain fell softly, painting Portland, Oregon streets in shimmering reflections. Wei and Hannah drove in comfortable silence, the glow of streetlights casting a warm haze over the car. The Italian restaurant was close, the promise of a quiet evening just moments away. Then, a black sedan shot from the shadows, cutting across the intersection with reckless speed. Wei's instincts kicked in, but he drove cautiously, his speed modest. That slowness saved them. When he braked, the impact was less severe, a dull thud instead of a devastating crash. As his heart steadied, a lesson crystallized in his mind. Some risks weren't worth taking, and sometimes moving slowly was the wisest way to move forward. Number 2. The deadly crossroad. In the second clip, the morning sun cast long shadows over the streets of Dallas, Texas. At a 3-road junction, Jun eased his car forward cautiously, scanning the empty intersection. The traffic lights were dead, leaving only instinct and caution to guide drivers. Then, out of nowhere, 2 black sedans tore through the crossroads, one from his lane, the other from the left. Neither slowed. The collision was brutal. The left car rammed into the other's rear side, its front crumpling on impact. For a moment, everything was frozen. No honking, no movement, just the wreckage of impatience. Jun let out a slow breath. A small moment of caution was all it took to steer him clear. Number 3. The country road trap. In the third clip, the narrow road through the Mississippi Delta cut through endless greenish fields, their lush stalks swaying gently in the breeze. Junhee's truck rumbled steadily, the scent of damp earth filling the air. Ahead, 2 massive container trucks crawled forward, their slow pace testing the patience of anyone behind them. Then, the red truck ahead made its move. It veered out sharply, engine growling, attempting to overtake. Junhee's grip tightened. The road was too narrow, the gap too tight. Metal screeched as the red truck clipped the barrier. Its container lurched, teetering for a heart-stopping moment before flipping upside down and slamming onto the road. Junhee slammed the brakes, tires skidding. The wreckage slid toward him, stopping just inches from his bumper. The road, once peaceful, now felt like a trap. One reckless move, and everything could unravel. Number 4. The wrong way collision. In the fourth clip near Main Street in Sacramento, California, Liang waited at the red light, his fingers tapping the wheel. The moment it turned green, he eased left into the adjacent lane, his mind already shifting to the day ahead. A white sedan was charging straight at him, completely against traffic. Liang's breath caught. There was no time to swerve. The crash was brutal, metal crumpled, glass exploded, and his body lurched forward as the airbag slammed into his chest. Silence followed, then shouts from bystanders rushing over. Dazed, Liang exhaled shakily. He had done everything right, but one reckless driver had turned a routine turn into a nightmare. Expect the unexpected, because others' mistakes can become your worst danger. Number 5. The roundabout disaster. In the fifth clip, Sonia approached the roundabout in Newark, New Jersey, its chaotic web of roads splitting off like veins. No signal lights, no order, just a tangle of cars weaving through, each driver left to their own instincts. Ahead, 2 white cars moved cautiously. Out of nowhere, a black car blasted through from another road, speeding at full throttle. The impact was instant. The black car slammed into one of the white cars, the force flipping it upside down. A thick cloud of dust erupted, swallowing the scene. Sonia slammed the brakes, heart pounding. As the dust settled, she noticed 2 traffic officers nearby, watching but doing nothing. Roads without proper signals are accidents waiting to happen. When those responsible for safety stay passive, chaos takes control. Number 6. The high-speed collision. In the sixth clip, downtown Chicago pulsed with its usual energy, honking horns, bright lights, and the constant hum of traffic. At a busy intersection, a police vehicle tore through a red light, siren wailing. Though emergency vehicles often have the right of way, timing is everything. At that exact moment, a black cab raced forward, confident in his green light. The cab smashed into the side of the police vehicle, the impact spinning it like a toy. Debris scattered like shrapnel. The cab driver had slammed the brakes, but speed had betrayed him. His frantic efforts were no match for physics. Speed may save time, but it can also cost lives. Number 7. The unfinished repair. In the seventh clip, the rural road near Austin, Texas, was quiet. The kind of place where the hum of cicadas drowned out the world. Alex pulled his black car over, the rear tire sagging. He loosened the bolts, ready to remove it, when his phone buzzed insistently. Distracted, he stepped away, leaving the tire half secured. Minutes later, a car roared down the road, speeding like a bullet. The driver didn't see Alex's parked car until it was too late. The speeding car slammed into the rear, tearing the loosened tire clean off. The impact sent it flipping violently, landing upside down. Small oversights can lead to massive consequences. Never leave safety to chance. Number 8. The cost of speeding. In the last clip, Rohan and his friends were enjoying a quiet drive on a calm stretch of I-95 in Virginia, on their way to a dinner party. Suddenly, a white car shot past them, speeding aggressively. Ahead, orange cones warned of roadwork, but the driver didn't seem to care. When he finally saw the concrete barrier, it was too late. In a split second, the driver swerved, hitting Rohan's car before crashing into the barrier, sparks flying. Rohan's pulse surged. His car had been jolted, but thankfully, he was spared. Speeding isn't just dangerous, it can change everything in an instant. These stories show us just how quickly a peaceful drive can turn into a nightmare. It's not always the big risks that get us, it's often the small moments we take for granted. The road isn't just about reaching your destination, it's about staying aware and making each moment count. If these stories changed your perspective, like, share, and subscribe for more valuable lessons that could save lives.